This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down the modem and disconnecting coax or fiber and Ethernet. Do this to avoid signal spikes and data loss. Once unplugged, document your network settings like SSID and passwords, and photograph cable connections so you can restore them exactly. Grab a ladder, cable ties, and a 1015 FT Ethernet or MO-CA adapter for temporary testing. These let you try the new spot without rewiring. Now proceed to the new location, with everything labeled and ready. Set the modem at a central height, roughly 4 to 6 feet off the floor, away from microwaves, cordless phones, and large metal objects because interference reduces range. Temporarily run power and a long Ethernet or coax to that spot, then power the device and watch the status LEDs until you have sync. Next, run a speed test and a Wi-Fi analyzer on your phone or laptop to compare throughput and coverage. If results improve, you're ready to secure the installation. After confirming improved performance, permanently route and secure cables with ties and clips, attach a surge protector, and label each connection so future moves are simple. Restore any static IP addresses and port forwards in your router or modem settings, then reboot both devices to confirm stability. If the modem fails to sync, reseat coax or fiber connectors, bypass any splitters, swap coax or power cables, and if needed, contact your ISP for a line check. These steps fix most link issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.